Today is the last weekend of October and I'm gardening, so might as well give you a garden tour. So here we have the blueberry bush. It has some tiny fruits. This is sharp blue blueberry bush. And then here we have a lemon tree. Look at all the fruits all the way to the ground. This is Eureka lemon. And then this is garlic. And then we have Swiss chard here. And then I made another video when I planted this vegetables too. These are kale on this box. This is an 8x2 box, and we have kale, two varieties of kale, Russian kale and Tuscan kale or dino kale, and cauliflower. So there are two cauliflowers too, the purple and the yellow or the cheddar. This is the Tuscan kale, and then this is the Russian kale. Or like onions in between too. This is like onion over there, and this is from a long time ago. This is the red vein sorrel. And then also in the other video I've shown when I planted the seeds of this magnolia blossom sugar snap peas. And look at that, they are sprouting. See? I think something is eating it though. I need to cover it. Like this one is eaten, see? I will cover that one. And then this is underneath this pear tree. This is Anjou pear. And then there is like a fruit there. And then also like next to it is a calamansi tree, which has like a lot of fruits too. All the way up there. Look at these tiny fruits. So we have calamansi year round. We have calamansi juice because this is loaded with fruits. This one too, see? So there is another tiny ones. And this. This branch I would like to, because it's on the walkway, I would like to cut this branch, but it has a lot of fruits. Look, I can't cut it. See? Like here. And down here. And more here. Oh, a lot are ready for harvest. And this is next to we have a small backyard garden, so they are planted, the trees are planted like really close to each other. This is a fig tree. This is a black mission fig tree. And then underneath this tree are like 3 raised beds. This is, oh, it's not purple anymore. It used to be like purple. It used to be that like pink, but it's green now. So these are Joy Choy, and then these are Bok Choy. And then in here we have spinach and the purple Osaka mustard. And here we have lettuce, and something is eating our lettuce too. I need to cover them. See, like this one is eaten. This one too. And then that is a grapevine. This is a perlet grapevine. it goes all the way. So the leaves are changing colors now. And this is another blueberry bush. Here we have two varieties, O'Neill and South Moon. But these are June bearing blueberries. And this is a kumquat, has tiny fruits. Probably next month they will turn to orange. Perfect for, like, you know, in time for the new year. This is supposed to be a lucky plant. The tomato season is over anyway, but I don't want to uproot this because of like these fruits. This is our tree kale. We have this for about 4 years now. Look at that, still beautiful. And this is a yuzu tree. This is the most fragrant citrus. They use this in like sushi. Those are beets. I'm going to use this to plant some seeds of carrots and beets and radish. This is a Valencia orange. Valencia orange. This is blueberry grapevine. And then this is the citrus salad. 6 citrus in one tree. And this is one of my favorite herbs. This is lemon verbena. Laurel plant that is growing super tall. Look, it's so tall now. I think this one is like from here up to the end, like the end is probably about 5 feet. This is nectarine. Look at the beautiful leaves. So the foliage of our trees here in Los Angeles change colors too, but really late in the season, like around November, December. So we see gorgeous fall colors too. Right now it's yellow, and then some of them turn into like orange or like kind of like red, but like really late. So this is a nectarine tree, and there's another tree here. This is plum, also starting to like change colors. This is a plum tree, and like some of them have fallen. And then we have another calamondine here, which is, this is variegated calamondine. Oh, there are fruits, but like, oh, there are fruits here too, but we have a lot of fruits. There's spiders too. See, this is oregano. This is purslane. Oh, there's a bee. This is basil, Thai basil. Hello. Oh, there are bees. This is milkweed, and this is where monarch butterflies lay their eggs. You see those beautiful flowers? And then here we have thyme. This is French thyme. And then like basil. Basil is still looking beautiful, but this is going to overwinter soon. We have this for about 3 years now too. So it would overwinter and then grow back in springtime. And then these are the onions. Or growing with the rose is a citronelle. This is a mosquito repellent. This is a red baron peach tree, and the leaves are also turning yellow. Like those leaves, see? It's an apricot tree. And next to this apricot tree is a pear tree. This is an Asian pear tree. And look at the leaves. Oh. Next to the Asian pear tree is another lemon tree. I'll show you this on the other side. Fruits. See those like fruits. Squash. This is calabacita. Flower, and those are fruits. This is a Mexican sage. Beautiful. With a lot of bees. This is a cherry moya. A cherry moya tree. It's bright. And then here we have the donut peach or the southern peach. And then next to it is the nectar plum, a cross between nectarine and plum. We need to cut those branches. Oh, that's the hummingbird. See? And this is a cherry tree. And look at these roses. And here we have the apple tree. This is an apple. Let's go to the other side. Oh, and the roses are still blooming. And a lot of bees. You hear the bees? And the orange trumpet, and this one. I love this walkway where we have the arch of this, like with these flowers. And then here we have this summer was too hot, so as you can see these leaves are dry. This is a this is raspberry. And then here we have this is a blackberry. And then this is gooseberry. And this one is blackberry, which is like dry. And this is dragon fruit. This is dragon fruit. And then here we have some like flowers that I planted from seeds. Look at that. I love this one. Look at how pretty. These are the cosmos. And my favorite behind the cosmos. Oops. Second. Look at this. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button and subscribe, and we hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.